na di break ita Hopeson Adorye sana security pania na wa airport no ye pamu ni free
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say Adorye retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
for adomreso ye pamu Hopeson Adorye every airport no di dwumadie say ordinary pani a oye in charge of national security yi ni free ho ade na si ye ya asemusa na ye pese hu di si ye ntia efi say ene ye gina ha me Ghana fo mebiri yinum de course yinum de si ye say Hopeson Adorye wo yi adwumadi abo man Ghana under the government na yanka bishi mu na yesi airport asako afri ho yenti ase so kosimra Ghana benhwemu manhwemu na daadi ehu se adi sen potin ni siye enti man na Akufo-Addo national security minister apam Hopeson Adorye free airport bia na niti san bi so na bibi wo ho na bibi wo ho so yese yehu yeti o man we mu no there has been consistent reports say enubone afa Ghana airport akwa bruchire internationally yenim say money laundering ba bia taifa airport smuggling kese free ho okoye bibi katasohye ne pamu ni free wanda Akufo-Addo anase Hopeson wanye bibia na ne hu ahi ne hu ofe ana ne dwumade no di bro so enti ne pamu ni free ho no mayesre wampani mahama mayihu so mawe accountability ayade a ehia ye transparency yade a yemfa ni agro if say pese hu bibia mu frenchem ni ehu nipa ese efata se krowe mu akwanya ba eba mu madi ni manim as Hopeson Adorye so se fata se otimi edi bibia no mu krowe mu a osore na ogina yesu ata nachi as o se onse so mfata se kroyi mu odi bibia ni mu a se wantwi kanana ni kululu bi ewo ne ho a eno so sorry ya kacha sa brante tinase onse mfata enti mo NDC for so there has been consistent reports say enubone afa Ghana airport akwa bruchire internationally yenim say money laundering ba bia taifa airport smuggling kese no other mean trafficking business airports enam all over the world enti yebusa Hopeson Adorye okodi nuboni hu adwuma ana ne pamu ni free ho okoye money laundering ana ne pamu ni free ho okoye bibi katasohye ne pamu ni free wanda Akufo-Addo anase Hopeson wanye bibia na ne hu ahi ne hu ofe ana ne dwumade no di bro so enti ne pamu ni free ho no mayesre wampani mahama mayihu so mawe accountability ayade a ehia ye transparency yade a yemfa ni agro If you say pese hu bibia mu frenchem ni ehu nipa ese efata se krowe mu akwanya ba eba mo madi ne manim as Hopeson Adorye so se fata se otimi edi bibia no mu krowe mu a osore na ogina yesu ata nachi as o se onse so mfata se kroyi mu odi bibia ni mu a se wantwi kanana ni kululu bi ewo ne ho a eno so sorry ya kacha say abrante tenase onse mfata enti mo NDC for so mo say probity and accountability enti sa ma de no momfa mu owura Hopeson Adorye ehun nkonta yen hwehwe mu mayen mo hwehwe niam mu mayen mo hwehwe Hopeson Adorye niam mu mayen ehun hia yen. It's for God and country.
Obeti atechem wo suro se obekoti bi amanfo wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka Ghana for one ma yensensi form papa one ma Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya adagye ko sell lie eto Amasaman because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president e ma wu jade atamos ewu ye. Yedisa show nsama wo buye wo wie wo se wo nye president da. E ma ye vote ma wo obedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se a wo betwa 12 good years. Wo tumi nye hwe. Wo promises en kokon ketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina. Koko fu a wo promise omo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo ba ye wo beti koko no so ewum. Wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka. Wo ba ye wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he efiri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri wo so nyame nsan ni wo so. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di we chi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esu bi mbada o
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afa Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nye hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonso na baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo Into about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections, echo, and no, my Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, I may mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So, in fact, on my bit, me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit, me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party. KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look at say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say people for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo keke mo kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum na nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntum with the greatest of respect. Omo nko ma ntum na nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntum nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntum nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntum nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na warning was such a me me na me go catch you Rajon the many man all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization you start to say yeah, most of the digitalization and talking it mo pe kinki sika. It's a mamu papa na ba omo mamu kinki mamu ade na mo kam. You come here. And the Rajon the money mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now they're kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear Koya cried him and now to me who let be a EOCO for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey. Remona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.